If there's anyone out there doing Unit 1 that needs some help or needs to make use of the bot, simply go to the Runs Tech Hub website. Go to where it says free IT resources here under the Unit 1 section. So that's the first thing that shows up here, the Unit 1 section. You should see a blue button that says Unit 1 Chat GPT Help Bot. Simply click on it. It might ask you to log in or create a Chat GPT account. Welcome back, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a GPT. When you're on the Chat GPT website, go over to the very left hand side at the top where it says Open Sidebar. Click on that. Click on where it says Explore GPTs. And once you click on that, you should have the option to the top right hand corner to create a GPT. You can also view other people's stuff that they've created as well, other company stuff, other people's stuff, but you need to click on create. Two sections come up, create and configure. I would suggest going over to configure first because this is where the crux of the information is going to be. It's going to ask you to choose an icon. So that can be a PNG, a JPEG that you can choose to be the icon of the thing you want. I'm going to name my GPT BTech Level 3 IT Unit 1 Help Bot. That's what I'm going to name mine. And this is just going to be a test. I've never done this before myself. This seemed like something that people should know how to do, especially if you're trying to study for an exam. This might be a really, you paid £20 for 1 month or 2 months, and then you give it all the information you need to give it. It's going to become a bot, essentially. You can ask it as many questions as you want, and it can help you with exam questions. So my plan is to put all the Unit 1 stuff I've created, I've downloaded into this bot here, and hopefully it can help us with Unit 1 stuff. I'll make it free as well, so anyone that's watching this video that wants to be able to use it, feel free to use it. I don't know if it remains available after I've cancelled my subscription. In the second box, I've simply put in a description of what this is. I'm guessing this is what people will read when they mouse over or click on My GPT. So it says if you're a student taking the BTech Level 3 IT course, specifically Unit 1 Information Technology Systems. Next, we have the instructions. Now, my instructions are not the best. I'm going to go do some research and see if I can make this better. But I've put in a very simple prompt. And I've said, pretend you're a computer science teacher in the United Kingdom. Use the files I attached or I have attached as the knowledge base. So I'm going to attach about 50 PDFs. You are to help students and teachers with questions they have related to the BTech Level 3 IT exam for Unit 1. I'm sure there's more I can add here to make it better, but for now I'm going to try and keep it simple. I'm just going to quickly go through the process so people can see how this is done. And down here we have conversation starters. Now conversation starters are simply the things that you see when you load up the GPT for the very first time. So here the first one I have is how many assessment objectives are there in Unit 1, and the next one is how many topics do I need to learn. Again, I'm going to leave it very simple. I'm going to simply upload my files now. So we're down here where it says upload files. I'm going to click on that. And I do have quite a few PDFs I want to upload to this. So let me go to my folder here. I'm going to upload the spec. I'm going to upload all the questions I've ever had for Unit 1. I'm going to upload past papers, question papers, exam paper answers, everything. This is me uploading my files. So bear with me. It's going to take a while because they're all in different folders and I have to do it this way. If you need to be able to find a GPT that you created, again, you simply go back to where it says Explore GPTs here on the left. When the screen comes up again, instead of going to create, you click on My GPTs and you should have there the GPT that you've created. I'm not sure if I've crashed this because quite a few times it says it was unable to save draft. I've added every single PDF I have on this. I don't know if everything's been added. I don't know if it successfully uploaded all the files, but I'm going to try it and see what comes up. So after you've uploaded all your PDFs, you simply click on create in the top right hand corner. But let's just do a quick review. So we have the name, we have a description, that's what other people will read. We have the instructions for the actual OpenAI GPT thing to know what it needs to do. We have a few conversation starters here, and down here we have the knowledge. So this is all the knowledge that I've given it. It has a section called capabilities. It can do web browsing and it can do DALL-E image generation. I don't think I need this one on. I think I only need web browsing because there might be some stuff that it actually needs to go to the internet and get. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to click on create and hope for the best. I'm going to do anyone with the link, and I'm going to actually stick this link on the Runs Tech Hub website. So if anyone that wants to use this for Unit 1 revision, go to the website or in this description of the video, click on the link and try it out and let me know what you think. I'm going to click on save, error saving draft. Okay, so I'm guessing probably added one too many PDFs. Let's try that one more time. Error. All right, so let's close this. I'm going to delete some of these past papers on here because I don't think I actually need so many past papers. So let me go ahead and delete some of these. I did quite a bit, yeah. I've deleted quite a few items from the list, so let's see if this will work. Now, I have the spec and I have questions from each section, so let's see if that might work. I also have revision cards on here. This is the same one on the website. Click on create, anyone with the link. If this seems to be working, no error came up this time. I'm going to copy that link and save it somewhere else, and then I'm going to click on view GPT. Okay, so this is how it comes up. This is what other people will see as well. I'm going to click on that one there. Let's see what it comes up with. How many assessment objectives are there in unit 1? Searching my knowledge. 5, that is 100% correct. I already did this test on another video, so I know that this is correct. Now what I think I'm going to do, I have here my revision card that I created for the website. So I'm going to ask it a few questions from this. This should be very simple for it because it has this in its knowledge base and it can also go to the internet. So let me copy a few of these questions in. Let's do the first one, which is what are the main types of operating systems? All right, let's grab that one, paste it there. Searching my knowledge, real time, that's correct. Single use, yep. Single use, multi, yep. These are all correct. Those are the 4 main types that we do speak about. Next, what are some factors that affect choice when choosing an operating system? This one here, this is a proper exam question I got from a past paper. So let's test it with that. This is 100% correct. Every single thing it spat out so far is correct. So I mean, I don't think there's much else I could say. That's how you create a GPT, and that's how you obviously use a GPT. Feel free to make use of this, guys. I'll have it up for as long as I can. Thanks for watching.